Hey guys, so today I'm changing out the CV axle on a Mercedes ML350. It's not too much, not different from any other vehicles. There's the old CV axle. This part right here, this goes into that right there.
Daryl, hand me the impact gun.
Pretty much just lube this up. I just use this use the bearing just for it to go in smooth. You fit that in snug, and then this part right here fits into this. You also want to lube that up right through there because it'd be a pain to get out next time and might be a little loud. You don't really have to take the brakes off or anything. All I did was take it off from the ball bearing part and just put it over here. I have it on this right here. Just tap it out. That part came out really easy. So not too big of a job. And that's pretty much it. So once you have it back in there, you set it. Set the lower ball joint right here through this, and the top through this right here, and this goes onto that. You'll need a 22 millimeter wrench, 19 millimeter, 36 millimeter, the axle nut, and these do have I think that's a T35 for the top of the wheel bearing bolts. All I did was use this right here and this to grip these while I turned it with a wrench. Much easier than the little T35s.
Yep, that's it.
And that's pretty much it.